Hello everyone. If you're getting this error when you're trying to play Roblox, error code 403 authentication failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error code 403 on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here app data. You're going to go on to local. Here you're going to find Roblox, and then you're just going to delete Roblox from here. And also make sure to delete it from your recycle bin. And after that, you can go ahead and play Roblox and you won't get that error anymore. I'm going to show you that my Roblox works. And there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. As you can see, my game's working. So that's how easy it was to fix that error code 403 authentication failed on Roblox. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.